In this video, you'll learn more about how to make your voice more interesting. So how can we make our voice more interesting? We can make use of stressed words. We can vary our tone depending on our message. And we can make use of pausing. We're going to look at them in more details. First, let's think about what stressed words are. If I start to speak like this, do you still think it is interesting? Or do I sound like a robot? So, what about now? If I start to speak a little bit like this, do you still think it is like a robot voice? You'll notice that some words are louder than the other words. So, those kind of words are called stressed words. Let's practice saying stressed words. First, I'm gonna tell you a sentence. I'm going to tell you about my company. I'm going to tell you about my company. Now your turn. Can you practice saying this sentence? So we have practiced how to say stressed words. They are louder. But now, how do we know which words are stressed in a sentence? Let's find out. Let's say this sentence. Take a look at this figure, which clearly shows the progress. If you look at the sentence here, what kind of words are mostly stressed? Are they nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs? Yes. Mostly they are verb, noun, adverbs, and adjectives. So now you know what kind of words are stressed in a sentence. Now, let's think about how to vary our tone depending on our message. Listen to how I say hello to different people. Hello. 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 Who am I saying hello to? So I'm saying hello to my friend, a little baby, and a person I don't like, and a very handsome person. You'll notice that even saying hello can have a different tone depending on your message or your emotion. Imagine I want to talk about good news about the company. Well, this year we made a lot of profit. Or, this year we've made a lot of profit. So which one shows my enthusiasm? The second one. Now, I'd like you to think about some good news to share with your friends or family or colleagues. Try to practice saying that. Over to you. Let's look at pausing. I don't speak very fast when I give presentation, because when I do that, then the audience will find it difficult to follow my presentation. Also, I don't speak very slowly like this. Instead, I speak in a group of words, and sometimes I pause. So let's practice that. Now, let's look at this paragraph and think about how you will make use of pausing to make it sound more interesting. Take a look and try to practice. Let's compare with how I would say these sentences. I'd like to welcome you to the main building. My name is Helen Smith, and I'm in charge of public relations. It's a pleasure to have all of you here. So, in this video, we have looked at how to make use of stressed words, and we have also practiced varying our tone, and finally, we have looked at pausing. Now, practice more so that next time when you give presentation, your voice is more interesting.